This is a low noise amplifier in the low kilohertz range. We're going to hook it up to the spectrum analyzer, but in order to do that I need power. So I have to solder this here, and this is a DC cord that I'm going to use with the talent cell that I got just specifically for this so the low noise amplifier doesn't turn off. So this will plug in to my battery, which will power the low noise amplifier. So that's what we're doing. Now to the analyzer. See you there. Okay, so I'm unhooking a log antenna, and then I'm going to hook in the amplifier. This is in, out. The signal goes out to the spectrum analyzer, in from the antenna. So the antenna, and then the amplifier amplifies the antenna, and then that signal is fed into the spectrum analyzer. I need another cord. Okay. So we're using the magnetic loop antenna. I can't get it all on screen because it's as big as a hula hoop. So we're going from here out from the antenna to the amplifier. Into the amplifier. Okay. I don't think I need an attenuator. I'm like wondering if I should put one on there. I don't want the amplifier to mess up the analyzer. Guess I could. I've got my Narda 10 decibel attenuator. It gives me 5 watts. So I guess I'll do that before I send power to the amplifier because it's 12 volt, so better safe than sorry. I don't know if this will make it so I can't see it. I don't think it will. I'm not getting a good look up. It's just not a real good connection. I don't know why. I don't know. Seems like that could be better. I don't know if I have another attenuator that would have a better connection. I don't think I do, so here we go, turning it on. There it is. I think Narda isn't helping it out. I expected to see more than that. Okay, our signal is at 71.5 kilohertz. And there's a sideband, 77.5. I think I'm going to try it without the attenuator because I think I could get better signal. We'll be right back. Okay, this is without the attenuator. So you can see the other signals. We're at 15.5. So that is the clock frequency we were seeing on the log antenna, so it is picking it up. We're seeing 37.5 fluctuating to 75.7, 37.75, 42. I need to turn the light off so you can see better. Okay, that's better. So the 15.5 amplitude, this 0.75 kilohertz, which actually is still right here. 3.5 kilohertz. There's another one there. 37.5 kilohertz. 40.25 kilohertz. 62.75 kilohertz. 69.50 kilohertz. 71.50 kilohertz. 75.25 kilohertz. 77.50 kilohertz. 93 to 94 kilohertz, 375 fluctuating up to 94.75 kilohertz. Okay, and I'll be back to zoom into those. I'll have to get the manual. Okay, we're back. Looks like we're getting more signals. Okay, so we're going to zoom into this. I'll press span. Marker. Can't see with the light off. I'll have to zoom in first. Okay. Span. Reference. No, I don't want that one. I want this one. 15.62. Span. (15.64844 kilohertz). Okay, that's that one. Okay. Let's go to this amplitude one. Span. This is at 37.56, amplitude 37.59. This pulsed one is at 39. 39.75. And it's fluctuating to 40.12. All over the place. So that's the upper sideband. It looks like there's suppressed area right here. Analyze. Arena. Start frequency at 32.59375 kilohertz. Center frequency 38.84375. Relax. Sidebands. Carrier is 42.125 kilohertz. No sidebands. About this one. Okay. Sidebands. And carrier. Okay. Let's go to this 72 kilohertz. 75.25 kilohertz. Okay. Several peaks. 69.5. 71.56250. 75.3125. 77.5. 78.25. Yes, this one. Carrier is 42.1250 kilohertz. That doesn't make sense. The carrier's lower. It looks like they're suppressing the comb. Like this is a comb and they're suppressing it. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm just like, where's the comb? I don't know if there was a comb. This one's larger band. 52, 46, 71, 59, 375. Base of its skirt. 71.2. Fluctuating to 70. 75.21. 77.53125. 78.25. 78.56250. Okay. That's as low as it's gonna go. don't want to overwork it. It seems like. You want me to zoom into that? Hold on. Calibrating. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Back to where we were. Well, I didn't get as much resolution as I thought with that amplifier. I thought I'd get more, see more. But we're seeing the same thing we saw on the log antenna on this antenna. So this antenna is rated for this kilohertz region. So, and the log antenna isn't. So you could say technically you could discredit somebody by saying, oh, the log antenna was just artifacts. So we're technically correct using this amplifier and a magnetic loop because it's rated and we're in the right range. So basically it just confirmed everything we were already seeing. Didn't really gain a lot of new perspective yet because we'll have to analyze the signal positions, I guess, the way they're set up, the bandwidths and all that. So anyway, that's an update, I guess. And this is what it looked like without the low noise amplifier. Alright, bye again.